2025 Dark Horse. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Give me gas. Not bad. It's got the active exhaust on it. One more. They think it's not loud enough, so we're going to add the next pipe in place of the Resonator. So stay tuned. Here's sound decibels before. Go ahead. So it's still pretty loud. It's at 111. This is track mode now. Go ahead. Now it's 117. So this is track mode. Again. Yeah, right at 117. So I'll definitely hit about 127 then when we're done with it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here we go. With a Resonator delete, an X pipe in its place. What mode is it in? That's 4. Okay. This is idle now. Right at 91. It's only got 300 miles on it, guys. Give it gas. Oh, it sounds like a Mustang, you know? Again. So it's right at 111. Again, one more. All right, put it in track mode. All right, so this is track mode, guys. Go ahead. There's that pop now. Again. Oh yeah, much better. One more. Here's sound decibels in track. It's still at 117, surprisingly. Yeah. It sounds different though. It sounds like it has something on it. You know? Remember, that's sitting still. Imagine when you take it down the road, it'll open up. Go ahead and back it up. How do you like it?
I love it.
Really? Still gonna get one for the wife. It's either that or the ZL1. Yeah. Oh, you're old. Yeah, let's see. It's up to her, whatever she decides. You gotta show her both, you know. Oh, it's so much better. Again? It sounds phenomenal. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. I love the emblems, everything about this. They give you another lip for free because they know how low it is, so they just give you another one. Just in case you break it, you can replace it. But the stance is perfect on it. Look at that. That's clean. What do you guys think of that stance? Another Dark Horse in the books. He wasn't kidding, man. He says that thing grips like crazy. Not bad. Mustang, you outdid yourselves.